Welcome back sa akong vlog! For today's video, ubanin ninyo mi maglibot diri sa beautiful province of Bukidnon, home of breathtaking mountains, cold springs, pine forest, and rich indigenous culture. So tara, let's go! Honestly, isa jud sa pinaka-nice sa Bukidnon kay ang biyahe palang daan. The fresh air, the green landscapes, the mountains, everywhere. Mura kag naa sa movie. First nga atong atuan is ang Nasuli Cold Spring. Grabe gid ka clear og bugnaw ang tubig diri guys. Perfect kayo pag-relax, especially init kayo ang panahon. Aside from being a tourist attraction, natural springs like this are also important freshwater ecosystem. Naunang importante nga protected and well-maintained ang place. One thing about ecotourism is that tourists should also become responsible visitors. So while mag-enjoy ta sa place, we should also avoid littering, respect the surroundings, and help preserve the cleanliness of the environment. Kaya if dili na to ampingan ang place like this, future generation might no longer experience their natural beauty. So after mag-refresh sa Nasuli, no? Next destination na punta. Low-key kapoy ang biyahe pero worth it kayo because every place diri sa Bukidnon has its own beauty and uniqueness. And now, naanta sa Pico Spring. So, kaning lugar is very peaceful and refreshing atmosphere surrounded by nature. One thing na ako na-notice is how relaxing natural destination can be compared sa mga crowded urban areas. So, ecotourism destination like this encourage people to reconnect with nature while also promoting environmental awareness. Next stop is Pine Ridge. Guys, mura kag naa sa Baguio ani because of Baguio vibes diri tungod sa tall pine trees and cool atmosphere. Very peaceful pud og aesthetic kayong place. Although init siya kay udtuman pero very peaceful gid kay siya. Forest destination like this are important kay forests help regulate climate, improve air quality, conserve biodiversity, and protect water resources. Places like Pine Ridge shows how tourism and environmental conservation can work together through responsible tourism practices. And honestly guys, nature itself is already enough to make a place beautiful. Siyempre, di mawala ang picture-picture kay kinahanglan documented ang memories. Traveling with friends makes the experience more enjoyable pud because aside sa places, ma-remember pud nimo ang fun moments together.
Ano? Baka? Ay, shit. Salamat.
And now, naa nami sa Suarez Hills. Literal good nga breathtaking ang view diri guys. The mountains, clouds, and open landscapes are super relaxing and peaceful. Destination like this help promote appreciation for natural landscapes and mountain ecosystem. And finally, our last stop, ang Kaamulan Park. This place reflects the rich culture and traditions of Bukidnon's indigenous communities. Kaamulan is one of the most important cultural celebration in the province because it honors the 7 indigenous tribes of Bukidnon. Ecotourism is not only about protecting nature but also about preserving culture and heritage. Through destinations like this, visitors become more aware and appreciative of local tradition. And syempre, gutom naman kayo no? So nagkaon na lang po dahil ni dili jud makumpleto ang laag without food trip no? So finally nakakaon na jud mi. After all the biyahe and walking, tourism also helps support local restaurant and business which creates livelihood opportunities for communities while promoting local cultural and product. This trip made me realize nga ang ecotourism is more than just taking picture and visiting beautiful places. It is about appreciating nature responsibility, respecting culture, supporting local communities, and understanding the importance of sustainability. As a turista, and a future environmental professional, we should help protect the destinations through responsible tourism practices. And that wraps our Bukidnon ecotourism adventure. Each destination showed the beauty of Bukidnon's nature, culture, and sustainable tourism potential. I hope this vlog reminded everyone that we can enjoy traveling while still protecting the environment and respecting local communities. Again, this is Ashaya Mayra 8 Kapalaw. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next vlog. Bye-bye!